Hi, I'm David Lockwood from Trader Boat TV, and today I'm with a really good friend, Tony Mackay. He's a boating enthusiast, but more than that, he loves Halvorsens. This is his 9th Halvorsen that we're on Sinana. Can you tell us a little bit about Sinana, Tony?
Well, Sinana was built for Sir Frederick Sutton, who was the biggest Holden dealer in the world, and he had it built at no expense spared. He wanted the best, and he got the best. And since the day I saw this boat in 1972, it was a must-have, and I've waited and waited, and Sir Fred died a few years ago, and here I am with my baby.
And after owning 9 of these Halvorsens, now what's so special about one of these boats?
I think the attention to detail is the special thing. They made their own chrome fittings. They had beautiful vision in the cabins, the quality of the timber. You just can't get these finishes anymore.
Tony's just written a great story about Sinana and the Halvorsen boats for Trader Boat magazine, so be sure to buy a copy. Meantime, enjoy the footage on these wonderful boats.